Hello fellow modelers, today we're going to give this cat her legs and I will show you how I do my own made wheels from cartridge paper. Let's begin. At this scale, I discover when you do small details, it can make your models even pop more. And this includes putting in the oil cooler fairing. Please pay careful attention that one end is curved and the other end is oval or almost flat. The following should be pretty straightforward when assembling the main wheel fairing. And to get the curve, never underestimate using a trusted toothpick. In assembling the landing gear strut, I decided to use the trusted toothpick once again, and this time even splitting the thickness of the card sheet that I work with. It may have been easier to just print on a 70-gram sheet of paper, or better yet, just find what works best for you. this is pretty much a process I use when assembling my wheels. I cut a width of 2mm strips, 3mm strips, and 4mm strips. Then I wrap them around a toothpick, roll, use a tweezer to keep the shape in place, and secure it at the end with super glue. Apologize for not realizing that the camera slipped both out of focus and off its axis, so pretty much did not catch me using a Dremel tool to shape the wheel. But it was a better a little than nothing at all. Nice, decent wheels. I realize that at this scale it might have been a bit ridiculous cutting out all these details, but I wanted to show you the process which I use to create the tail wheel. Again, keep in line. Once completed, snip snip, no pun intended, and installation of the tail wheel, and there she is, being able to stand on her leg. Well, that will be it for today. So, on to the final chapter. Until then, my friends, take care and as usual, one love.